Hello everyone. I know it's been a while. I have a couple of videos planned, but in the meantime, I wanted to ask you a question. Do you wear special shoes when gardening? Well, I got my tea. Let's talk about that. So I've always been one of those guys that when I was planning on doing some gardening, I'd just grab whatever shoes were handy and head on out. And because I live in the desert, most of my shoes are running shoes, so they're very light and they're vented, which means they're not waterproof. So I was always coming back in the house with wet feet, and that was really starting to annoy me. Now I tried wearing some boots too. I have some work boots, but they're not very flexible, they're very heavy, and it was something about the soles. It was always catching mud and tracking mud in the house. So I really wasn't sure what the solution was. And one day, just on a whim, I went into a search engine and I typed in gardening shoes. And I was surprised at the different varieties that were coming up. I didn't know there was such a thing. So there was the obvious things called Muck Shoes. Now these are rubber slip-ons. They're kind of like galoshes but shorter, but they didn't really appeal to me. But I kept looking and found lots of things that looked like regular sneakers and tennis shoes, but they were waterproof. So I kept looking, and after a while I came across these. And I was really quite pleased. They're very light, they're very comfortable, they're very flexible, and they're very waterproof. And because they're very smooth, it's easy just to wipe them off, any dirt, mud, or grass clippings you might get on it. And the soles, they don't collect mud or rocks. So I wasn't tracking them into the house or wherever else I might be going. And I thought, this is really fantastic. I'm surprised I had never thought of it before. That's why I decided to do this. I wanted to see if you guys wore special shoes when gardening. Now, these were also pretty cheap. I only paid like $30 for them on eBay. And they have similar things on Amazon and other places. So I suggest just going to whatever favorite shopping place you have and type in either waterproof shoes or gardening shoes and see what comes up. There's really quite a variety, and it's really changed things for the better. Now, I'm not going to link to these specific shoes because I don't want anyone to think I'm promoting this particular brand or anything. But, look around and find something that you like. These even come in a couple of different colors. So, happy shopping, and I'll see you soon.